Today we are diving into the latest and most trusted methods to earn online in 2025. This includes freelance sites, AI tools, mobile apps, and more. So grab a notebook and let's begin. Starting with Fiverr, the classic freelancing platform. But here's the 2025 twist. Now people are offering services using AI tools. For example, using ChatGPT to write blog posts, or using Sora or Pika Labs to create short videos. What you can offer: AI-generated article writing, YouTube script writing, AI voiceovers using Eleven Labs, KI video generation using Sora. The best part? You don't need advanced skills. Just know how to use the tool, deliver quality, and communicate clearly. Next, if you're just starting out and don't have skills, these websites pay you for simple tasks like image labeling, data entry, or voice recordings. Ratings, $50 to $150 per month. Pro tip: always complete your profile 100% and take available training. It helps you get higher paying tasks. Now here's one of my favorites: user testing. You get paid to test websites, apps, or prototypes by recording your screen and providing feedback. All you need is a computer or phone and a reliable internet connection. You can do multiple tests daily, increasing your earnings potential. On average, testers earn around $10 per test, which takes about 20 minutes. Plus, there's a $10 sign-up bonus. It's $50 for 1 hour of work. Now, some tests might take longer and pay even more. Moving on to App Karma, a super easy app where you get rewarded for trying out games and apps. Each app you complete pays you with points. And once you reach the minimum threshold, you can cash out through PayPal or gift cards. Here's a pro tip: focus on the higher point value tasks. It's a fantastic way to earn while discovering new apps. Next, a website where you can rent out your unused bandwidth and get paid for it. How does it work? Well, when you're connected to the internet and not using much of your bandwidth, Honeygain rents a small portion of your internet speed. You set your payment preferences and the amount you want to earn. It's a passive income stream that requires no extra work. Now, on average, users earn around $7 a month, but your actual earnings will depend on your internet speed and usage. It's the best part: it's completely safe and won't slow down your internet connection. And now let's talk about Clickworker. This platform offers various microtasks, from categorizing images to writing short texts and surveys. You choose what you want to do and earn based on the task. While the pay isn't high, it's great for beginners or those with limited time. On average, you can expect to earn around $5 to $10 per hour, but it can be more with experience. Last but not least is Prolific, where you earn by participating in research studies like surveys or interviews. They value your opinion and only work with reputable universities and companies. Now, unlike other survey sites, Prolific pays around $7 per hour. To maximize your earnings, create a profile, complete surveys regularly, and qualify for higher paying interviews. So there you have it: 7 legit platforms to make money online. Remember, it's not a get-rich-quick scheme. Consistency and dedication are key. So if you enjoyed this video, hit that thumbs up and subscribe for more. I'll catch you in the next one.